friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make easy homemade pizza. So let's begin. Let's start making the pizza dough. First I am adding half cup of lukewarm water. I am using instant yeast, so I am taking 2.5 teaspoons. If you are taking regular yeast, make sure to take 3.5 teaspoons. And 1 teaspoon sugar. Now mix it well. Close it and keep it aside for 15 minutes. 15 minutes have passed. Let me check on the yeast. See, the yeast is blooming and bubbling. This is how we know it is ready. Next, add half teaspoon of salt to the yeast. And add flour little by little to the mixture. I have taken 2.5 cup of maida because I am making 3 pizzas. You can alter the amount as much as you want. Let me mix it well. Apply little olive oil on top. Then cover it with a damp cloth. Close it with a lid. I've added some oregano to the dough. If you have it, you can add it. I am going to keep it aside for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough will double in size due to fermentation. For barbecue pizza, I have marinated the chicken with some salt and pepper. Now I am going to fry the chicken. I am frying some chicken to add to the chicken pizza. One and a half hours are passed. Now let me check on the dough. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size. Dough has formed very nicely. You can see by its consistency. Let me knead the dough once again. I am making 4 pizzas, so let's divide the dough into 4 pieces. I know some of you don't have oven, so I am going to make one pizza in pan and other in oven. I am using steel plates because I have gas oven. If you are doing in microwave, make sure to have microwavable safe pan. Let me grease the pan and the plates. Please make sure to use olive oil or any other refined oil. I am going to spread dough into my pan and make sure that you cover the other dough with a damp towel so that it doesn't dry out. For the pan pizza, it is better to make a thin base. Meanwhile, let's spread the dough on the other plates. You can make the pizza crust thick or thin according to your liking. Cover all the pizzas with a damp cloth and keep it for 30 minutes. Let's hit the pizza. The flavors I am making are spicy chicken, barbecue chicken and paneer. First, spread the dough well. Then you have to poke holes into the dough with a fork. Now apply olive oil. Next step is to garnish. First, sprinkle some oregano. Next, pizza sauce. I have bought from store. You can also make from home. For barbecue pizza, I am using barbecue sauce. Then cheese. For barbecue pizza, I am adding onions and barbecue chicken pieces. For these two pizza, I am adding bell peppers. I'm going to put it in the oven. For pan pizza, before you garnish it, you have to cook the base first. In the pan, I'm making cheese pizza. The base is just cooked. The side which is cooked is where we can garnish. For cheese pizza also, I'm using pizza sauce. Sprinkle some oregano next. For cheese pizza, we need more cheese. Cook the pan pizza in low flame and close it with a lid. The pizza is ready. Now let me taste it. It tastes very good. All of you should try at home. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe and like to my channel. Bye.